And lastly, in a significant ruling, the Uttarakhand High Court has set aside the conviction and 20-year jail term awarded to a visually impaired music teacher accused of raping minor students. The court held that the accused had been denied a fair trial because the case documents were not provided to him in Braille, the only script that he could read. In January last year, the trial court convicted him and sentenced him to 20 years in prison. However, during the appeal, the Deputy Advocate General admitted that all case documents were shared with the accused in Devanagari script and not in Braille. The High Court noted that this violated Section 12 of the Right of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016, which guarantees equal access to justice for disabled individuals. A bench of Justice G. Narendra and Justice Alok Mahra observed that failure to furnish documents in an accessible format had seriously prejudiced the accused's right to understand the charges and instruct his lawyer properly. The judges stated that the inability to read the material against him amounted to a denial of justice and rendered the entire trial unfair. The court further observed that the failure to provide materials in an accessible format compromised the accused's ability to assist in his own defense. Calling it a clear deprivation of the right to a fair trial, the court set aside the conviction and remitted the case back to the trial court for a fresh trial, this time ensuring that all relevant documents are furnished in Braille.